Hi, Jonah. Mommy is going to read you a book. Yes, I am. And it says Jonah will go to the bathroom. Here's my sweet Jonah. He will go to the bathroom. Good job. On the potty, Jonah will change his diaper. Yes, Jonah will change his diaper. Yeah, you got a wet diaper. You got to get that off, buddy. Yeah. Good job, Jonah. Good job. Jonah put his diaper on. Good job. Jonah put his diaper on. Oh, Jonah, look at you. Such a good boy to put on your diaper. Next, Jonah. Here's my Jonah. He will change his wet shirt. Yeah, sometimes you get TT on your shirt. So it says Jonah will change his wet shirt. So if you have a TT on your shirt, we got to take it off. Oh, yes. Good job, Jonah. Good job. You are all done. Yes. Good job, Jonah. Jonah is all done. I am so proud of you. Good job, Jonah. I love you.